Hi, lovely people. I'm the lazy Niger mom, and today I'll be sharing with you yet another vegan-friendly banana bread recipe. So first things first, you have to mash your overripe bananas using a fork, ricer, mixer, whatever it is that you like to use. Do this right in the bowl, your mixer bowl, but I'm using a flat plate so that I can get maximum access to the bananas with a fork. Unlike my bowl, as you can see, it's going to be a little bit hard. You can leave it chunky or much more pureed if you like. Now I'm going to be whisking my flaxseed egg. There are many alternatives to using eggs. My substitute here is flaxseed. There are lots of other alternatives. So this flaxseed here, if you're looking for the description, if you're looking for how to make this, is in the description box how I have made my flaxseed. And this, if you do not want to use flaxseed or egg substitutes, just swap 2 eggs. So here I'm trying to recreate a buttermilk using oat milk and lemon. You can use any non-dairy milk of choice. I'm only using oat milk because it's faster and easier to make. So now I'm going to add some vegetable oil, sugar, and mix well. Guys, I'm sorry if my voice seems a little bit hoarse. I've got a little cold, so it's affecting my voice. But because I want to update this video like I always do every week, I did not want to disappoint you. I decided to go on ahead with it like this. So please bear with me. If you're a nut lover, you can chop up some nuts like pistachios, almonds. Almonds are always a hit. Um, Even dry fruits like raisins and stuff like that. So before I forget, I always upload videos every week. Um, Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you viewed so far, and try to check out my other videos and check out my playlist too. I have some interesting videos. Thank you. Don't forget to leave some nuts behind so you can decorate with it. So I'm going to add the buttermilk in here. I prefer adding it last before adding the dry ingredients. So in case you're wondering, this looks nothing like a buttermilk should. Yeah, when you're using milk substitute, no sorry, non-dairy milk substitute, most times they don't even form buttermilk lumps like it would with normal milk. And of course, you can always use any milk of choice, be it dairy or non-dairy. Now I know some people wonder why I don't use mixer when I'm making my banana bread. You can use a mixer, electric, manual, or anyone. You can use them. Actually, feel free to use them. I just don't use them because I feel banana bread is something I shouldn't waste time washing gadgets for. When you have enough things to wash, like bowls and stuff, you have to wash, and I have to get mixers too because I'm too lazy to wash stuff. Yeah. I get that from my name. I'm a lazy person. Plus, a lot of people do not have mixers in their homes, and you cannot deprive yourself of the pleasure of eating something you want just because you do not have mixers. So, this is much more relatable. At least people around me that have asked me questions and requested for recipes, this is what will suit them better. Please do not overfood your mixing. Once you stop seeing white stuff, you can stop mixing. Otherwise, your cake is going to get quite hard. That's why I like using glass bowls so I can see through the sides and mix them up well. So if you didn't add your dry fruits or nuts earlier, you can add them now, including chocolate chips if you want. Then mix them well. Go ahead and grease your pan with oil, butter, anything you like to use. I'm using melted butter here, and you all know I like using wax paper to line my pans because it makes it come right off the pan neatly without having to break off in the middle. To check if it's done, dip it clean toothpick, and if it comes out clean, your cake is done. Please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Give me a like if you enjoyed watching. I'll see you next one. Bye.